Is your check engine light on because your vehicle thinks its engine oil is freezing even in the middle of a hot summer day in Arizona? If you are seeing the code P0197 on your scanner, your car is telling you that the engine oil temperature sensor signal is far lower than it should be. This is a generic powertrain code that applies to modern vehicles equipped with diagnostic systems, and you will most commonly see it in heavy-duty diesel trucks like the Ford Powerstroke or the Chevrolet GMC Duramax. The engine oil temperature sensor, which we call the EOT sensor, is a critical part that the powertrain control module, or PICM, uses to calculate things like fuel quality and when the injector should fire. It is basically a specialized thermometer that changes its internal resistance based on how hot the oil is. Because it is a negative temperature coefficient thermistor, the resistance goes down as the oil gets hotter. When your PICM sees a voltage that is way too low, it assumes there is a short circuit somewhere in the system. The main symptoms you will notice is that annoying check engine light on your dashboard, but in some serious cases, it can be linked to your engine actually overheating. You should start by looking for any frayed wires or loose plugs around the sensor. If the wiring looks good, you will want to use a digital multimeter set to ohms to test the sensor itself. As the engine warms up, that resistance value should drop smoothly. If it stays stuck or jumps around, the sensor is toast. You also need to make sure the PICM is sending out a steady 5-volt reference signal. If you find that the wiring is damaged or the sensor is not responding to temperature changes, it is time to swap it out. If you are not comfortable poking around high-voltage circuits, or if the problem seems to be inside the computer itself, you should definitely take your vehicle to a certified master technician to avoid frying your expensive engine computer.